my channel to beauty, health and style. Guys, today's video is all about how to curl your hair at home with these plastic rollers, and this will give you a beautiful curls without using any heat. And if you're looking to curl your hair, so this video is definitely for you, so keep on watching. So guys, to curl your hair you'll need plastic rollers, and these are the plastic rollers I got from Daiso, and inside there is 5 rollers, and this is the medium size, and I got 3 packets because my hair is very thick. So I got 3 packets, and total there is 15 rollers, plastic rollers, and this I got for 100 and each. That is I think about 70 rupees in Indian rupees. So, and this is the medium size because I didn't want it that big size, because that will be a very loose curls. I want very tight curls, so this is a perfect size for having those tight curls. So guys, now we will just comb my hair nicely, and today only I washed my hair and I just dried my hair. So your hair should not be very wet, otherwise the curls will not stand. And remove all the tangles from your hair. And now we will start from the behind, and we'll take a little section of our hair and we'll just clip this part of our hair. And we'll just spray water. It should just be damp your hair, not very wet. This is just plain water. And we'll just comb it. And we'll take one roller, and this is the clipped roller, so it's very easy to clip it. So you take a little section and you just roll it. And you just flip it this way. And then the next section. The same way. Just comb it. And you just spray water to dampen it. this side, and now we will do this side. And the front hair, I just left it, so that will be mine. These bands of mine. Rollers all over my hair, guys, and after so long I'm using these rollers. I've not curled my hair from so long, and I'm really excited to curl my hair today. So guys, I'm just going to keep this for at least for 4 hours. If you want, you can also keep it overnight, and the longer you keep, the better, the tighter the curls come out. So guys, I'll see you after 4 hours. Guys, welcome back. And now we're going to remove these rollers. I kept it nicely for 4 hours, so now we're going to remove them. And now we'll start removing from the back. Guys, you see these curls, how pretty they are. and just keeping for 4 hours, and you get so beautiful results by just using rollers without any heat. I'll show you exactly how it looks behind. You see these curls, how pretty they've come just by keeping for 4 hours. And if you're going to keep it for the whole night, overnight, you will get those nice tight curls. And you just take them out the rollers after you're ready. You have to go out, just take them out, and you're set to go with a beautiful, lovely curls with lots of volume. And it's just going to look so beautiful, and you'll just love them, because this stays for at least for the whole day. You know, if you put the hairspray, it just stays for the whole day, and it looks so pretty, you know, like a new look. Every time when you have a straight hair, you just want sometimes a new look, sometimes curls. And I just love curls, guys. So these are beautiful, and I'm just loving them, how pretty they look, and so much of volume it has. The best part of these curls is without any heat. You're not using any heat, you're not damaging your hair. It's just by this natural rollers you're having this beautiful, lovely curls. It just makes you look so pretty, because curls always make a woman look very, very pretty. It has so much of volume. So guys, you can definitely, you know, do this without using any heat, and you can do it overnight, and you'll get this lovely curls in the morning, and it'll give you a new look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and do press the icon bell so you get notification whenever I post a new video, guys. So guys, I'll see you soon with my next exciting video. Till then, take good care of yourself, stay healthy, stay at home, and stay happy. Bye guys, love you all.